The network has new iPhone SE2 renders. The network has published new renderings of the budget news from Apple, the iPhone SE2 smartphone, which will become the successor to the iPhone SE. The presentation of the device is expected in March next year. Reportedly, the iPhone SE2 will be available in different colors, including yellow and red besides the traditional black and gray colors. On renderings, the smartphone is equipped with large frames. However, experts doubt that it will remain in the final version of the device. In addition, many users were skeptical of the presence of the main single camera, suggesting that Apple will replace it with several modules. It is not yet clear which name the company will choose for its budget apparatus. On the network, it is most often called iPhone SE2, however, some sources say that it will be called iPhone 9. As for the cost of the smartphone, insiders say it will amount to approximately $400. It is expected that the iPhone SE2 will be equipped with a 4.7-inch LCD screen and a single-chip Apple A13 system. In addition, the gadget should receive 3 GB of RAM and 2 internal options, 64 and 128 GB. Earlier, a video appeared on the network that demonstrates the iPhone SE2 Live. True, in the video the device is only taken out of the box and turned on.